At the time of creating a subject in the database, users are required to enter subject's age and gender. Please refer to the video tutorial titled Creating a Subject for more information. In this tutorial, we will show you how you can add clinical assessments to the subjects existing under your project in addition to age and gender. Associating clinical assessments to a subject is done at the time of data upload. Adding clinical assessments to your study has two benefits. First, it allows you to perform group analysis using any of the clinical assessments as factors using the CBFDAP group analysis pipeline. For example, you can associate a subject with the assessment drug condition, caffeine versus no caffeine, and another assessment, smoking status, yes versus no. Then look at how these factors affect CBF using your ASL data. Second, associating clinical assessments at the time of data upload allows for repeated measures study design, namely the same subject scanned twice under two different study conditions. In order to do this, simply upload two sets of data using the same subject ID, but assign two different assessment scores. We will show you how this is done in this tutorial. So let's get started. Let's log into a demo account. First, you want to check the list of clinical assessments that are already available in the database. There are more than 28 clinical assessment names you can use. To do this, go to Workflows, select Group Analysis tab, and press the Add Query button using clinical data as your search criteria. Here you can see the complete list of assessment names. Each assessment has associated scores. For example, Fagerstrom Smoking Assessment has this list of assessment scores. Another example, Caffeine Assessment has these 4 scores. Let's look at Drug Score. From here, you can see the list of conditions under this assessment score, namely caffeine and placebo. If you cannot find assessments and scores that fit your study from this list, please contact the CBFDAP team and we can easily update database and have additional assessments available for you. Okay, let's upload 2 datasets from the same subject and associate each upload with different study conditions using assessments. We have already created a fictitious subject named John Smith for this example. For the first set, we will associate John Smith with drug condition placebo and eye condition open. For the second set, we will associate John with the drug condition caffeine and eye condition closed. Go to Upload. Choose the first set of the zipped folder containing ASL data. Here we will choose John Smith under Project CBF Demo. This is where you can add clinical assessments for this subject. We will select Caffeine Assessment from this list. For eye condition, we enter Open. And for drug condition, we enter placebo. Make sure to click Save to save the assessments. Click Submit to complete data upload process. You will be taken to this page confirming that the submission was successful. Let's now proceed to the second upload. As we said, we will assign different assessments to this upload. Go to Upload and choose the second set of raw data. We will again use John Smith under Project CBF Demo. Click on Clinical Assessments, select Caffeine Assessment. We will enter close this time for the eye condition. For drug, we will enter caffeine. Click Save, and then Submit. So that's it. We uploaded 2 datasets for the same subject, each time assigning different study conditions. Finally, you can review the assessments associated with each data upload by clicking on the magnifying glass under Subject menu, double-clicking on the subject ID, which takes you to this page. As you can see, there are 2 visits corresponding to 2 datasets we uploaded for this subject. This section shows you what types of raw data have been uploaded. You can check clinical assessments by clicking Manage, then choosing Clinical under the Segment drop-down menu. For the first visit, you can see eye condition open and drug condition placebo as assessments.